Total talus replacement. This surgery replaces the talus, a large bone in the ankle. It's found between the heel bone and the bones of the lower leg. Replacing a damaged or diseased talus helps your ankle move like it should. Before the surgery, detailed images are made of your ankle. They are used to 3D print a custom metal talus implant. A few slightly different implants are made so they can be tested for the best fit. During the surgery, you are anesthetized. An incision is made on the front of your ankle to reach your talus. The surgeon divides your talus into pieces and removes them. Then, your surgeon decides which talus implant is the best fit. That implant is inserted and your ankle movement is tested. When the surgery is done, the incision is closed. You are watched in a recovery room for a brief time. Then, you can go home. Follow your surgeon's instructions as you recover.